Um, Panic attacks are really hard. I just had a really big one. Comes out of nowhere. Don't really know what brings it on. We have a whole heap of skills that we've learnt to try and manage. We have our sensory box, which is really good. We made this in art therapy. Just got stuff in it. Put your hand in, different textures. You know, there's different rocks and fabrics and it's a little puzzle. I've been looking for that. There's things to help us, you know, remember that what's happening in our head is not, you know, it's not what's happening right now. We're not actually in any immediate danger. Hearing the birds outside helps. But it's so scary. There's such a big disconnect. You know, trying to come back from that moment is so hard. Our body just freezes up. And it's like you're trying to tell your body to move and it just won't. It won't move. You can't do anything. It's so hard to communicate. It's really scary. And it's so frustrating because it just comes out of nowhere. Like, you know, sometimes there are things that will, you know, that we know will bring on a panic attack, but other times it just happens. And then sometimes we get flashbacks, sometimes, like, you know, it's different. I don't even know, like, it's different every time. And, you know, at least now we know what it is. We know when it happens that it is a panic attack, but, you know, it never gets any easier. We just are able to, I guess, recover from it quicker or easier each time. But it's really hard, and it's like, you know, I end up feeling like such a burden to the people around. Like, that's why it's, you know, one of the reasons it's so hard to go out and do things, because it's like, what if we go out by ourselves and do something and then we have a massive panic attack? Like, I want to be independent, I want to be able to do things, but I just can't. Maybe one day, but it's like it just... It's so confusing, it's so draining, I'm so tired. I just... never really spoken about panic attacks, I don't think. Like, not specifically. But like right now, I, I wanted to be able to come and just sit quietly and process what's going on, like in here, like in the head. Um, pain's really bad today, and I can't really hold a pen properly, so, a lot of the time we'll utilize our, like, journal or, like, do some art or something after we have a massive panic attack, but just trying something different today. There's so much going on inside, like, it's so busy, there's so many things. There's so many, like, oh, I should be doing this, you, like, haven't done these things, or I can't even begin to express how busy it is. But I have to remember that that doesn't matter right now. Like, none of that matters. I need to remember that now is now. We live in this body, we are safe, and it's okay not to do anything. It's okay to take time to recover. I don't really know what the point of this is. Talking helps, so yeah. Yeah, we often dissociate really badly after we have a panic attack. Like, it happens to a lot of us. You can feel there's so much adrenaline, there's so much that affects us physiologically when this happens, and we need time to recover. It's hard when you have a panic attack about the fact that you feel like you're not doing enough. You have to keep reminding ourselves that, we have a chronic illness, we have multiple health issues, we have mental health stuff going on, and we can't do all the things that we used to do. And then, like, add on top of that the fact that we have to make time to recover from having a panic attack about the fact that we weren't able to do the things that we wanted to do. It's just this vicious cycle. It's hard. Don't want to be inspirational or whatever. Like, this is our reality. It's not always like this, but this is what happens sometimes. So this is the aftermath. The rest of today will be a write-off. So I guess I'm gonna go try and do some self-care, self-soothing. Do something kind for ourselves. That's all.